This is Andres Alvarado, the brains and bronze behind this YouTube channel, AAA Pro. I know I'm not too old, but this intense passion for video, post-production, and photography didn't come on until later on in life. Not until about 2017, so about 2.5 years ago. I love it because it's incredible the video effects that technology allows us to pull off. You know, it's funny, with this world of graphics, it creates one problem for all of us: storage. With video, we can capture and appreciate African American fashion and beauty. With photography, I love the gift of photography. I love appreciating color contrast. I love leading lines and composition. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been AAA Pro. Hit that subscribe button for more content, and of course, until the next video, bada bing, bada boom.